From OpenAI's latest leak to a mysterious modern open router, all will be covered in this AI news. So without further ado, let's get started. So starting off, you might remember on February 13, Sam said that they will no longer release O3 as a standalone model, but it will be bundled inside what they called GPT-5, which would be a system instead of a model. But seems like there is some change of plans. In a recent post, he said that they will be doing a standalone release of the O3 model in a few weeks, likely because they were not able to reliably merge all models into one system and probably need some more time. And they also wanted to make sure they have enough capacity. So GPT-5 will likely be slightly delayed by a few months from now. Anyways, talking about O3, he mentioned they have really improved their model compared to what they previewed in the 12 days of OpenAI event a few months back. When a user asked about the possibility of O3 Pro, he confirmed it's indeed coming. He also mentioned O4 Mini, which is nice to see. I think they are establishing a trend, releasing the next gen mini model with the current gen giant model. A few days back, in a tweet, Sam mentioned open sourcing a powerful model in the coming months. He also shared a link for developers to suggest what they would want in an open weights model from OpenAI. So what could this model be? If you remember, on February 18, Sam shared a poll, what should they open source? And 54% said that they would like to see a O3 mini level model. So could it be they'll open source O3 mini or an equally capable model? Only time will tell. Moving on, a mysterious model has appeared in OpenRouter named Quasar Alpha. The model has 1 million context length and it's available for absolutely free. OpenRouter said it's a pre-release model from one of the AI labs. Seeing the context length, some speculate it's from Google Gemini. Others say, based on the tool call ID of the model, it seems to be from OpenAI, but no one knows. Some say it's very good in coding and instruction following, while others praise its speed in coding. I'm planning to test it against the RKGI public dataset, so make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. Next up, Anthropic Claude's insane monthly plans. Tibor Bleho shared on X that Anthropic is working on a max plan for users, and instead of one, there will be multiple max plans, namely max 5x and max 20x. These could be plans with higher rate limits and thinking tokens. On a following post, he said, based on what's visible in the App Store, the prices seem to be for max 5x $124 and for max 20x $250. Now we have one more company to blame for insane pricing. Next up, Google has Gemini 2.5 Pro preview in the API, and the pricing of the model is $1.25 per million input tokens and $10 per million output tokens, which is even cheaper than GPT-4o. People are going crazy about this. And this model is completely free in AI Studio if you just want the chat interface. Absolutely an awesome comeback from Google Gemini. Next update is from Windsurf. They say that Deepseek V3 has been upgraded to Deepseek V3 0324 and it's completely free. If you don't know, you can buy any plan from Windsurf which starts from $15 and use the DeepSeek model without any credit limits like other models. I'm so happy to see this update because DeepSeek V30324 is actually a very good and capable model. Next up, Midjourney has released their V7 Alpha. So this model is a preview to their V7 model and the initial reviews seems mixed. People praise its creativity and realism but also condemn its poor performance in text creation. Still, many feel that it's more creative than ChatGPT 4o. Talking about image generation, Ideogram has released their Ideogram version 3, but nothing seems to be buzzing about this model. On the artificial analysis leaderboard, it was placed in 4th rank. So that was it for today's AI news guys. Do make sure to subscribe for latest updates and I'll catch you guys in the next one.